Hey everyone, it's Dan again and welcome back to my channel. I wasn't gonna make a video today, but look what I received. Custom Dynamics Smart Triple Play for the El Diablo. So I decided it's gonna be a quick install anyway, so I'm just gonna install it now. Have my son taking a video. First, I'm not an electrician, so if you're gonna copy this, do it at your own risk. First step, we gotta take off the seat. I'll try to make it as quick as possible. Alright, it's off. Put that down there. Okay, so I already opened this. Just a bunch of wires. I'm colorblind, but from reading the instructions and watching some videos, it looks to be easy to do. Just plug and play for everything. Want to come closer? Alright. Make sure you get this. So pretty much, this will be mounted here. Looks like the seat is not touching it. And then you have two sets. This one and this one. See it? And this is your turn signal and brake light connectors. So what you need to do is figure out which one connects to what. Let me see. Of course the male goes to the female and female goes to the male, right? So I'm just gonna pull this out, unplug this, and the gray one. So this one will go here. Oh no. See? The male goes to the female. So blue one goes there. There's really no way to mess it up. And then unplug this one too. I believe this is the right turn signal. And male obviously goes to the female. See? Female can't go to the female too. So male to male, and then the brake light, I believe it's this one, just pull it out. Okay, it's tight. Unplug it, and I think the male goes to the female. That was easy. Put it back. Alright. Now I can put it back in place, I guess. There you go. And this one was here. There you go. Alright. So we unplugged it from this side. So this is the bike side, okay? Now find the other side of the harness, or the other group of connectors. Obviously, same thing. These are females, they'll connect to the male. Let me see what color. Blue and black. And red. Okay. So you connect here, or you look like you connect there, right? Should. Or the other way. Okay, there you go. That one's in. Blue one was there. Blue to gray. There you go. And the black. There you go. See? Alright, you can look at it now so you know which one is which when you're doing your own. Same thing as this. These are the single wires. Okay, that one's done. This one, I don't think it goes anywhere. So we'll just leave that on. And this goes to the PNA connector. Oh, goes in here. Excuse me. Let's see. That is 5/32. Yep, 5/32. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do it as fast as I can just to show you guys how it looks. Okay, that one's off. Just kind of pull back. Be careful, you don't want to scratch it. There's 2 grommets over there. Okay, so this one is a PNA connector. Connects right here. So easy. So you just press, pull back to unplug. You're not gonna use this, so you just pull it out. See, it's empty. It's not connected to anything. So you connect this to that. You want to route it properly. Okay, somewhere in here. I'll do that later. I'm just trying to finish this for you guys, and that's it. I think. Let me turn it on, see if it works. Okay. Step on it. Okay. Right now it's set to number 8. You want to stand back here? Actually, let me take that. Go ahead. Go stand over there. Step on the brakes for me. So the lights might look like they're flashing, just they're LEDs. Yeah, step on it. There you go, strobe. All 3 of them. Turn signal. Go ahead and start the car. Sorry, start the bike. So, see that circle? Push it down. Yeah, push it down. Okay, and then hold on. And then the left side, press the button. The lower button. No. Left side, right beside. Nope, not that. That's a turn signal. Well, there you go. Let's show. Okay. That's my son. He'll learn. So we turn it on, and then make sure it's a neutral. Okay. Step on the brake. Step on the brake. All right. Good. There you go. Turn it off. Okay, that worked. So as you can see, my turn signals worked as a running light. So all 3 of them are working now, running light. And when you press the turn signal by accident, you saw the blinker, and it's also a brake light. So triple play. It works, and it's easy to install. So I'm just gonna clean up the wiring a little bit, tuck it, maybe double-sided tape for this, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Click like, subscribe, comment if you'd like. Bye-bye.